Want to earn Robux in Please Donate? Here's how to set up your stand and add donation buttons. If this helps, make sure to subscribe and give it a like. Let's get started. Step 1. Claim your stand. Open Please Donate in Roblox. Walk up to any unclaimed stand and hold E to claim it. Your stand will now say your stand. But if you don't see donation buttons, that's normal. Step 2. Create Game Pass. Exit Roblox and open your browser. Go to create.roblox.com and log in. Tap on Creations, then click your default experience. On the left menu, tap Associated Items, then choose Passes. Tap Create a Pass. Upload any image, name it and add a description. Optional, click Create Pass. Step 3. Put the pass on sale. Click on your new pass. On the left, go to Sales. Toggle Item for Sale on and set your price. Example, 5 Robux. Tap Save Changes. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% fee, so you'll receive 70% of the amount. Step 4. Check your stand. Go back into PS Donate and claim a stand again. Your donation button should now appear. Want more buttons? Just create more Game Pass. That's it. Now you know how to set up a working stand in PS Donate. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.